Hello! If you like to know how to make milk bread, keep watching. This milk bread is so soft and fluffy and no sugar was used. If this is your first time on this channel, welcome! Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification for weekly updates. Add 1 egg and all the milk, that is half cup of whole milk, quarter cup of powdered milk, quarter cup condensed milk, then mix together. Add a teaspoon of instant yeast, 1/8 cup of melted butter, mix. Add 250 grams of all-purpose flour, that's 2 cups. If you're using unsalted butter, just add half teaspoon of salt to the mixture. Mix it until a dough forms. Cover it and let it rest for 10 minutes. After resting, mix in a tablespoon of butter, transfer the dough to a floured surface and knead until it's smooth and elastic. That will be about 10 to 12 minutes. After kneading, place the dough in an oiled bowl and cover it and let it rest for an hour until it doubles in size. After an hour, gently remove the gas. Flatten and divide it into 6 pieces. Form them into 6 balls. Cover and let it rest for 10 minutes. Brush some butter on the pan. After it has rested for 10 minutes, flatten to remove the gas. Form them into a ball. . Place it into the pan and cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, egg wash the dough. I mixed the egg with some milk. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Brush with some salted butter. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you again next week.